Comharrachadh agus phàirt go òran na seachtaine comharrachadh Joy Dunlop. Hello and welcome to this new Song of the Week with me, Joy Dunlop. Now, as 220 is the year of coasts and waters, I thought it'd be lovely if we learned a song linked to the sea. So this is a very simple Portuguese called Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn. And in this reel, we are looking at Dhuinn. He is the captain of this boat and he's sailing it past the white point. It's really repetitive, so let's start going over the words. This is the first verse. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn. Bhidio, give that a go. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn. Gleva, one more time. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn. And one more go. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn. And the second line, we'll do in two parts. Uisgeachan, and again. Uisgeachan, and one more time. Uisgeachan, and then the second part of that line, aithnichte, and again. Aithnichte. Agus againn. Aithnichte. Gleva. So let's stick those two bits together. So we have Uisgeachan, aithnichte. Try that again. Uisgeachan, aithnichte. Hey. So let's stick lines 1 and 2 together now. So we have O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn Uisgeachan, aithnichte. And let's try that one more time. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn Uisgeachan, aithnichte. And one more time for luck. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn Uisgeachan, aithnichte. Now the third line is exactly the same as the first line, so we know that already. So let's try lines 1 to 3. Ready? O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn Uisgeachan, aithnichte. Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn. And you'll notice the second time we take off the O so we can fit in all of òran. Now the last line will split in two as well, and that goes Seallaibh. Try that wee bit. Seallaibh. And one more go. Seallaibh. And the second part, aodann. Try that now. Aodann. And one more go. Aodann. So let's stick those two bits together now. For that last line we have Seallaibh aodann. Try that one more time. Seallaibh aodann. So if we put lines 3 and 4 together, it sounds like this. Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn Seallaibh aodann. Bhidio, give that a go. Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn Seallaibh aodann. Hey. Now let's do all 4 lines together then. After 3. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn Uisgeachan, aithnichte. Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn Seallaibh aodann. And then you repeat it. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn Uisgeachan, aithnichte. Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn Seallaibh aodann. Hey. Now let's put the notes to the words now. And the first line sounds like this. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn. Bhidio. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn. Agus againn. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn. Gleva. And the second line goes like this. Uisgeachan, aithnichte. So try that. Uisgeachan, aithnichte. And one more time. Uisgeachan, aithnichte. So those two lines together sound like this. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn Uisgeachan, aithnichte.
And do you remember that the third line is exactly the same as the first? Yeah? So let's stick all three lines together now. Let's go. Hey, naga, titty. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn is Curaigh Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn. And the fourth line is kind of like you're singing while walking down some steps. So try that. And one more time. So let's try lines 3 and 4 together. Ready? And Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn. Simple as that. So let's do all 4 lines through, and as always, we're going to sing it twice. After 3 maha. Hey, 3. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn is Curaigh Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn is Curaigh Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn. Magabirav! And that is the first verse of Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn. Come back next time and we'll learn the chorus. Cheerin dras!